The Salesforce Spring 24 release is just around the corner, so let's dive into the hottest declarative features of the Salesforce Spring 24 release. Add fields from related objects to dynamic forms-enabled pages. In the past, if you wanted to display information from a parent record onto a child record, you would need to create a formula field or use a quick update action and display it in a Lightning page. With Spring 24, you can add a field from another record onto your Lightning page, providing the primary record has a lookup relationship with the other record. To add fields to a Lightning page, navigate to the record page's fields menu in Lightning App Builder, click the arrow next to the lookup field, and select from the available fields from the related record. You can even dig across multiple relationships, in this example from opportunity to account and then to parent account. Set field visibility by device in dynamic forms. You can now create visibility rules based on device form factor on individual fields, not just fields, sections, and components. This means that you can make specific fields mobile only or desktop only. Use dynamic actions with standard objects on mobile. In the Winter 24 release, dynamic forms began to support the Salesforce mobile app. In the Spring 24 release, Salesforce has taken it even further, and dynamic actions are also supported on mobile devices. Analytics. I have so many exciting updates for you for reports and dashboards. First up, transfer Lightning dashboard ownership, generally available. Historically, when the owner of an important dashboard leaves the company, you have the hassle of cloning and creating the dashboard. From Spring 24, the ability to transfer ownership of a dashboard is generally available. The new owner then has complete control of the dashboard. If someone leaves your organization, you can transfer their dashboards in bulk. Supercharge your visualizations with images, rich text, and dashboard widgets in all Salesforce editions. I'm so glad to see that the ability to add images, rich text, and dashboard widgets is now available for all Salesforce editions. This feature was made available to Unlimited Edition customers in the Summer 23 release, which seemed terribly unfair. Although a simple change, it helps create stunning, informative, and engaging dashboards that are bound to impress your users and key stakeholders. Increased user adoption and engagement? Yes, please. To get started, click Plus Widget and select the type of widget to add when editing a dashboard. Focus your view with more dashboard filters in all Salesforce editions. Similarly, the ability to add up to 5 filters instead of 3 was also made available to Unlimited editions only in the Summer 23 release. This handy feature has now been rolled out to all editions. Easily update fields in Lightning report filters. If you want to change a filter on a report, you can now select the new field you wish to filter on. Previously, you would have to delete the filter and add a new one. Rearrange multiple Lightning report columns at once. Previously only available in Classic, you can now rearrange multiple report columns at once instead of one by one. Account Intelligence View, previously only available for leads and contacts, is being rolled out to accounts. In the Account Intelligence View, you can quickly filter accounts and see statistics, such as the total value of open opportunities and next close date for resulting records. To see detailed activity, opportunity, and case data for individual records, click the side panel icon next to the record name. In the side panel, toggle between panes showing activity data or related records, or log activity without leaving the intelligence view. Permissions. There are 3 important updates to permissions in the Spring 24 release. User permission set groups in all editions. Permission sets are now available in all Salesforce editions. Get notified before deleting permission sets assigned to users. When attempting to delete a permission set that is included in a permission set group that currently has users assigned to it, you will receive an error. Reference pick lists, groups, and queues in user access policies in beta. Reference pick list fields, groups, and queues when creating user access policies. Faster loading Lightning pages? Yes, please. More Salesforce objects are now Lightning Web Component enabled in Spring 24, meaning improved performance. Migrate even more processes with the updated Migrate to Flow tool. To assist you with your automation migration, the Migrate to Flow tool now supports partial migration for most actions. It will also prompt you with notifications of which actions need further configuration to complete the migration. Einstein Search is enabled by default. Einstein Search will be enabled by default in all orgs unless your org has the Do Not Auto Enable flag turned on. But why would you want to opt out? Einstein Search is awesome. Drive success with Seller Home. If you love new productivity features and snazzy interfaces for your sales users like I do, then this update is for you. I'm super excited about the new Seller Home, designed to drive success for your sales team by giving them a complete view of their business. Sales users can get a ton of useful information at a glance, including opportunity overview, account overview, lead overview, contact overview, weekly or monthly goals, today's events, to-do items, recent records and contact suggestions identified by Einstein from a user's emails and events. This new dashboard-like homepage is the default homepage for the Sales Console, and Sales Engagement apps. It will appear automatically unless you have customized those pages. In this instance, you can manually enable it from setup. Honorable mention: get 10 Einstein Conversation Insight licenses with Enterprise Edition. Orgs using Enterprise Edition can now get access to 10 Einstein Conversation Insights licenses, enabling users to play recordings of conversations to gain visibility into mentions of competitors, products, custom keywords, pricing discussions, and next steps. That's it for the lowdown of the hottest Salesforce Spring 24 release features. What other new features have you spotted? Let us know in the comments.